Hi, my name is Furkan and I'm with Nukon USA. We just finished the installation of an Eco 3 kilowatt laser machine in Smallwood company. This is their first metal fabricating machine, and I'm here with operators and the production manager. We will now ask how they feel about the machine. Hey Johnny, can you tell us with a few sentences that how you feel about the machine and the training process?
I thoroughly enjoyed getting to learn how to run the machine. It's been a fun experience overall, and the training was really just excellent all the way around in my opinion.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey Mark,
Hey,
can you tell us about machine with a few sentences? What do you think about the training process? What do you think about the machine?
training was very well, and operating of the machine is probably the easiest that I've ever dealt with. It's going to be a very fun machine.
Perfect. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir.